13 of the most insane military vehicles. The Crusher. This 13,200-pound unmanned combat truck is basically a robot car. This vehicle is designed to navigate through difficult terrains and find easier and faster routes to take. It can carry 18,000 pounds of ammunition and it needs no driver. This car can be operated like a video game, safely away from the battlefield. M104 Wolverine. This special unmanned armored vehicle is a piece of machinery that has high utility for soldiers. It carries a deployed bridge that can be activated on command to create a makeshift bridge and help soldiers cross large water bodies. These bridges are so sturdy that they can support a 70-ton vehicle moving at high speed. Jabaria Defense. This was invented by the United Arab Emirates Army and it is also manufactured there. This giant machine functions as a multiple rocket launcher. Because of the small size of the UAE army, this technology helps launch more rockets with fewer people. It can launch 60 rockets in 2 minutes with just 3 soldiers. Sea Monster. This boat and airplane contraption was invented by the Soviet Union in 1947. It was built to be as bulky as a ship and be shaped like an airplane to allow it to hover over the water without actually flying. This machine was way too big and eventually sunk at sea. Amphibious Rig. The amphibious rig has a...
Do not forget to subscribe.